Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So we are now ready for the sale order entry, and this is our sale order form which we have developed. Just a quick roundup for this. For example, uh, as a default, it is ready for to enter a new order number 83 Y83, because the maximum number there in the sale order list which have so far been entered was 82. So it has pressed a 1 plus 1, incremented with 1, and it is 83. The next thing you do is select the salesperson on whose behalf you are entering this data, and for which customer, and then what are the things which you have ordered, which the customer has ordered, and okay, for example, this. So these are the entry, the items required, and how much is the quantity. You can say 10, for example, 15, or 10 and 55, for example. Okay. And then we showed you in the previous that you can add the discount here, so it will be automatically. You give $5 discount here, so this will become 175. Yes, and you give $5 here as well. Percentage, this should become 145. That's right, and you give a 4.25 dollar discount here, so it should become 4.24. Sorry, so this is 4.25. Okay, right. So it's working fine, right? So this is the discount. Now, what if you select an existing order? Okay, we can close it. Let's get back to this here, and we give our existing order is 37, for example, right? So here we put a stop here so that we see that what it is doing, so we can analyze it and make necessary adjustment. So first of all, it will set up the L tab, line item table, right, as an object, and then it will try to pick the items from the sale order item list. So as soon as it reaches the first item, it will start. It is initially 0, and it will start it with incremented by 1. Okay, so there we are going to stop it. Yes, it has found the order number 37, and here is it is now incrementing it to the item number 1, and then it is doing this. Okay, fair enough. So we click here, for example, and then it is going to stop right at this moment as soon as it finishes. So while it is taking the quantity, why not the discount as well? Okay, so but for this we need to know where is the discount. So the quantity is this, so we can make the quantity as a discount by the help of the add watch, right? We do the add watch here. This is the 17 is the quantity, right? And just to verify that it is the quantity, we replace this Rx. Instead of Rx, we put 1 so that it tells you what is it exactly, quantity. That's right. So where is the discount? The discount is it 5? No, it is price. It is 6. Press enter. 6th column is actually discount, right? So we can pick this and make a discount variable for discount, and this is, instead of 1, it is going to be Rx, as all these are Rx. Okay, Rx is the variable. Okay. Okay, so this is good. And we replace, now we use this one. Then very next to the price is the very next to the price is your the quantity. Quantity is the price. After the quantity, there is a price, and after the price is the discount. So we don't bother about the price, we bother about the discount. So we copy this value here, and instead of 2, we will make not 3, we will make 4, right? And this quantity is going to be what? It is going to be D, right? Because the D for the discount. Yeah. So this is a discount. This is the product name, and how much of that product, the quantity, and then on the 3rd is the price, and D is the discount, right? Okay, so let's see how does it populate. Yeah, it's populated. It has put the discount as well as that, just to see if it is taking the discount, just hard coding it for $5, for example. Okay. What we do here, yeah, we run it again. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So we have to check that why this discount is being reset. That's why not pay. So if it is taking the discount, this is a discount directly from the sheet, right? And it is doing it. So we will find it out that what went wrong, that when we replace the value, now these values is 5, right? So there is a change element that is replacing it back to 0. So we will find it out. Okay, very easy. What we do is we put a breakpoint here. Okay. Yeah. This is this here, and this is the D. D is equal to 5. D is equal to, normally D is actually, if you press F8 here, you get 0, because in data it is 0. Now we want to bring this hard-coded 5 into here, right? So for this, we are using this 5. Okay, press F8. F8. Yeah. Okay. So now D's value is equal to 5, right? Now we want to see that when D is equal to 5, and it is, so what is the value at the, normally it is moving the 5, but it is not refreshing it. Huh? if you check what is the value of this, so we will say MSG box space this. Let's see what is the value it is showing. This is also a way of finding out the, so it is 0. The value of this is 0, whereas the value of D is 5, right? So what makes it not being replaced in this? So there is some mechanism which is, so we have to find out, right? We have to find out, press F8 here. So it is going to take it, right? So this will tell you that what was happening, right? Why it is not staying. Since it is going back, so let's force it to get back to where it was, so that we should have a way to get a D. If we go out of this, we will have no way to get the D. So let's use a command to store this value sheets, and we have the interface sheet, and let's use the range a cell address, say a D for discount, for example. Yeah, just to you can is equal to D. Okay. So since you have this is so, because why we are doing it, because as soon as it gets there, as soon as it gets there, the D values becomes null. Yeah, so you won't be able to get the null. So if you have stored it somewhere in the cell, so you can refer it to it. Okay, so this is right, F8. Now we go press F8, right? So since this is not changed, so we will have to check that what is the problem in the cell. Let's make it a change, because the event is changed. So we make it $6. Okay, F8, and we stop here. Yeah. So now D value is 6, right? And as soon as we press F8 here, it is going to get the change event, and this will update the line items, right? So we put a breakpoint here, and we go there, we press F8 here. Now it is going to do the update line item procedure, right? And this is the place where it is it must be causing problem. Okay, so we will figure it out. So this is the quantity, that's right. Quantity is worked out, that's already quantity, that's fine. Now, if it is a space, it is not a space. Now, here, it is now clearly, it is moving closely to here, okay? So we do a click, we break point in here, just to see. Okay, now it has so far entered the quantity. Now it is working on the that is fourth, right? right? Okay, unit price has been done already. Now that is 40. 40 is 40. Now the discount. Now it is checking if this is a space. So let's recheck. What is it? So we add watch. So this is add watch is a very interesting, very good utility, and right, and it allows you to figure out the variable values so that you can find you can identify if there is any problem, you can fix it. Okay, so 6 is the right thing, which should be coming, and it is there. Okay, if it is so that's right. Fair. So what it is supposed to do in here is that here we will use the command. We will check if the sheets that is interface, right, dot range AD1, right, is equal to, is not equal to space, then what? Then D is equal to D is equal to this entire thing. So see, D is equal to this entire thing, and if, right? Okay, and as soon as it is done, so we will make sure that this does its job is already done, so that we make it blank. Okay. Okay, so F8. So if this is not equal to space, yeah, so the D value is at the moment is empty. That's fine. F8. That's fine. Okay. So, and this is also, so I'm telling you the both ways that you can use this worksheet cells as well to store your data, and this will return result in the desired action, the initialization of the value. So D has now the right value. Okay. Also, you got to you got to set a focus. Yeah, you got to set a focus. Yeah. Dot set focus. Okay. So this is right. Now plus F8. Now that's right. Okay. It has set the focus to the second field, and yes. So let's see what is the column, and that's F8. Yeah. What is the column? No, so the focus is not not done. So we have to check. Okay, what is okay? Okay, you might have noticed that the discount is already correctly displayed in here. So that's why it is not any making any difference. Okay, whether you set a focus or not. Anyway, so the job is already done, but we have to see, is there anything else which is causing it to be 0? Yes, this is the thing, right? So yeah, so we have to make it 4. You have to make it 4 because it has the CL is equal to 4. So we have to make set the focus 4 and make it what we say. Yeah, we have to make it 4. The CL is equal to 4, right? Okay. Otherwise, in this case, this is Control X, and we will take it to else condition. Yeah. In the else condition, yeah, this is okay. So this is our logic that if it is space, right? So it wasn't a space. We have already moved it, so we force it to 4 so that it does not replace it with the 0. That's right. Okay. Now you have secured it. We found the culprit, which was forcing it to 0, right? So this is okay. Now let's see that $6 have to be reduced from 680. That is it should become 674, right? So let's put a breakpoint here. Yeah. Okay, and let's make it, yeah, 674. That's right. Okay. Wonderful. So this is how we do. Let's clear all the breakpoints and we run it. That's it. Okay. Okay. So this was the message which we did. Okay. That's right. Okay. So. Okay. So it was, we have to repeat it again. Remove this. We don't need any message box to appear here. Control Z. Yeah, we don't need a message box here. And we already have 6. Okay. And then we redo it. Yeah. So what we do is make it 5. And we see what there is something which is we will redo it and we put a breakpoint here, right? Okay. Now if we press F8 here, it is going to get to this cell change range, and here it is supposed to set the focus as well. Anyway, okay. Okay, and so far it is good. Now it is going to go to this update routine. That's fine. We put a breakpoint here. Okay, now it is updating. Okay, now you see F8. Now we will see that what is the discount value it gets. It is 5. That's right. Okay. And the 5 is there as well, right? Since this is already done, now what is it now doing? It is now making sure, okay, right. So there was, okay, it is already, but it has yet to deduct it from 680. Okay. So, yeah, so it will set the CL function here, okay, so that it is deducted, okay, plus F8. Now this is updating the total price total, right? And it is the CL is equal to 4. Now this time it will jump this command because that was making it 0 again. It is not making 0 anymore. Now the 5 will be deducted, right? And this is going to be repeat. Okay. So we will put a breakpoint here and we see what happens, right? So now it is adjusting the total price, right? Total price, and it is also advisable that we make a set focus command here as well. Dot set focus, right? F8. Okay, now it is setting a focus, and now it is updating the price. Okay. Row 2, 1, and it is now updating the line items, right? Okay. And enough. Okay, now it is going to get to this. Okay, that's fine. It is blank. So this is fine, that's fine. It is blank. And now it is getting the 1. That's fine. F8, press F8. Okay. Okay, it should not be doing this replacement. So we will comment it, yeah, and we will proceed further. Press F8, and this has now adjusted. Okay, that's right. Okay, the price is adjusted. Next, press F8. And that's it. I hope there is no other thing which is there. Now it should be, the discount should also be updated. The discount is 0, it should become 5 as well. Right? Yeah, discount has become 5. Okay, and the amount Yes, here we can make a dollar currency that we can do later. Okay. And this is just an amount change. And we proceed further. And this is the right. Right, sir. So this is how we have been able now to, so let's clear all the breakpoints. Clear all breakpoints and we run it. That's it. Okay. And also we should have, anyway, no problem. The stop commands can also be removed. Okay, let's go to 36, for example. It also has an item. Okay, right. So it will show you what is it doing, and in the at the same time we will keep removing this stop commands. Right. Okay. So yeah. So the our command of the $5, this is posting a posting. So let's remove it as well. Okay, later on we can do it. Okay, and we can remove this as well. Okay, okay, right. So this is 1925 because you have given a $5 discount. Okay, otherwise it would have been 1930. Okay, so let's go to 37 again. Yeah, that's right. So since there's no discount, it is 680. That's right. And get back to 36. There's no discount, 1930. So thank you very much. So we have now completed this activity in which we learned different things, that usage of the debugger, add watch, breakpoints, and calculations, and the other change events which you can use the triggering of the user to be purposeful for your objectives, right? So once this process is complete, we can proceed further to the next stage, right? So still a couple of things are left, but since we have to make the videos shorter, that's why we cannot. We have to keep it pending for the next video. So I look forward to you joining us in our next video. Thank you very much.